Hello everyone. I'm just making a video how to replace a lock actuator on a BMW e90 06. So basically what you have to do is you have to remove these 3 bolts. One right here, 1, 2, and the one down here. This one, 3. Once you get that out, you have to remove the bolt that's down here. That one is a 10mm. You move this out of the way, you put it against over here to the left. You get this, you push it out inward, you put your hand inside. It should pop out through here to this section. Just make sure that when you bring it out at a 45-degree angle. Slowly bring it out, and you kind of, you take it out from place. You put the new one at the same angle. It's gonna go 45 straight up. Just move this a little bit if you can. And once your car's working, you should see this on the lock. So when you unlock it, it goes up. When you lock it, it should go down, up. And the other one that I had, that one that was messed up, it wouldn't go up. It was stuck, so it was internally broken. And as you could tell on this part inside, it's cracked. So new one's in. Thank you for looking at my video. I'll be making more videos later on. Have a good day. Thank you. Good morning everyone. So I wanted to show you about the lock actuator that I removed. So this is the second part. So what you do is when the lock's like this inside, in the rear, you see that lever right here, this one, you're gonna see something like this, similar to this. So what you do is you pull this bottom one off. It's gonna pop out like this, but this is for this side. And then the one on top, there's 2 pieces to it. There's this, and then one on the lever inside of this. So you pop those out, it should get loose, and then you should pop it out. When you put the new one in, pop it back in place like this. Just pop it in place, and you should be good. Thank you. So once you're done with putting back the actuator and everything, the door, you're gonna hear all these clip in. I already clipped them in. Make sure they're all clipped in place. After that, putting these screws back in place. One right here, and then 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 bolts. So I'm using right now the everything a T20. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a T20. I'm gonna screw it back in. And that's about it. After this should be done, just put it back in these trims. Put this one in first. Clip it in place, ta-ta. You're gonna hear the pops. And then this last one, you're gonna put it on top, clip it back in, and you're good. Thank you.